Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to study about weather and seasons in Korea. So let's start with, please subscribe, our four seasons. So first of all, I would like to inform you that there are four seasons in Korea. First is spring, that means like it comes in like April, yes, spring. Next is summer, fall, winter. So we are going to study about four seasons in Korea and how you will say spring, summer, fall and winter in Korea. So first of all, before starting the video, I would like to inform you that the best season to visit Korea is spring and fall. As you can see the view and the environment, so the best season to visit in Korea is spring and fall. This is just general information, you don't have to take it seriously. It's my opinion to visit Korea in spring and fall. So let's study our four seasons. First is spring, summer, fall and then winter. So spring season. So what is spring in Korean? Spring is bomb. Weather is, for example, weather is a kind of nalshi. And what type of weather you got in Korea if you visit in spring season? You will experience a warm, comfortable weather when you are in Korea and it is spring season. Okay, so what is spring? Warm. And what is weather? Nalshi. And warm, the Theo. Repeat after me. Warm means the Theo. So if you have to say that the weather is warm, so Nalshiga Dadateo. The weather is warm. So you will experience the warm weather in spring season. So you have to say, when you are happy, when you are enjoying the weather, you have to frequently say the weather is warm. So in that case you just have to say Nalshiga dadateo. Okay, so this is spring, warm. Nalshiga dadateo. So let's review some phrases related to spring season. Like first, a person asked, how is the weather today? Onil nalshiga otteo. Onil is today, otteo how, and nalshiga means weather. So how is the weather today? Onil nalshiga otteo. And B revert, like if it is spring season, then definitely you will experience the warm season. So the B person will be like, the weather is warm today. Onil nalshiga dadateo. Onil nalshiga dadateo. So repeat after me. Onil nalshiga otteo. Onil nalshiga otteo means how is the weather today? Nalshiga dadateo. The weather is warm today. Onil nalshiga dadateo. Onil nalshiga dadateo. Okay, so this is the basic or like frequently used word when you are in spring season. Next, summer. So what is summer? Yorum. Summer is yorum in Korean. So maximum you will experience the two type of weather when you are in summer season in Korean. So what type of weather you will experience? Humid and hot. So what is humid? Sopeo. And what is hot? Dogoyo. Humid, sopeo. Hot, dogoyo. So you will experience humid or hot season. Sopeo, dogoyo. And can be rain as well. So the rainy season is like Jangmachal. jang ma chil. So this is all about summer season. So let's take some example. Okay, the weather is humid. Suppose a person said the weather is humid. 날씨가 습해요. And if B person like the weather is hot. 날씨가 더워요. 날씨가 더워요. Okay, so I had some put extra content for your information or for your better understanding. If it is a summer season, you just have to go to the beach and swimming pool and enjoy the and you have to cool down your body, your mind. So for that you have to understand the beach and swimming pool and how to say the same in Korean. So what is beach in Korean? 바닷가. 바닷가. And what is swimming pool? 수영장. 수영장. Just write it down. You can't understand, you can't memorize the same in a one time in a same time, so you just have to write it down. Beach is 바닷가. Swimming pool 수영장. For your better understanding, you can see beach start from B word, and 바닷가 as well start from B word. So it's a kind of help for your mind, for your psychological learning process to memorize the same. Beach is 바닷가. Swimming pool start from S, and 수영장 as well start from S. So swimming pool 수영장, beach 바닷가. Okay, so just go to the summer season, enjoy the beach and swimming pool, cool down your body and your mind. So you just have to go to the 바닷가 or 수영장. So this is all about summer season. Next we will study fall. What is fall? 가을. 가을. So you will experience the two type of weather, cool and fallen leaves. Cool is like 시원해요, and you might experience, you might enjoy the fallen leaves, the trees, the fallen leaves, and the beautiful environment around you. So what is fallen leaves? 낙엽. 낙엽. Cool is 시원해요, fallen leaves 낙엽. So what is fall? 가을. And the two type of weather, the environment you will experience in the fall season, cool and fallen leaves. 시원해요, 낙엽. 시원해요, 낙엽. So let's study with the help of examples. The weather is cool. 날씨가 시원해요. 날씨가 시원해요. 날씨가 시원해요. And in this weather you will enjoy the blue sky, the beautiful environment, the fallen leaves. So what is blue sky? 파란 하늘. 파란 is blue and sky is 하늘. 파란 하늘. And beautiful environment. So what is beautiful in Korean? 아름다워요. 아름다워요. You might know that 예쁘다. It is pretty, but 아름다워요 is beautiful. 예쁘다 is pretty, beautiful is 아름다워요. Okay, so you don't have to confuse, just remember what I am saying and write it down for now. Blue sky, 파란 하늘, beautiful, 아름다워요. So you will enjoy the beautiful sky, the fallen leaves. So see, if you want to say the sky is beautiful, so but you have to just say 하늘이 아름다워요. 하늘이 아름다워요. Okay, you are enjoying, so you have to express your feeling as well to the person next to you and your friend and your colleague, or you are traveling with okay. So the sky is beautiful. 하늘이 아름다워요. So let's study with the very first point. The weather is cool. 날씨가 시원해요. Blue sky, 파란 하늘. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆರಂದವೋಯು. The sky is beautiful. ಹಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಂದವೋಯು. So this is all about fall. Next we will study winter. So as the word winter, definitely snow, you will get snow, a very cold environment. If you are in Korea, you will experience 1 degree, 2 degree and minus degree Celsius if you are in a winter season. So what is winter in Korea? Gyeol, Gyeol, Gyeol. And the weather and the environment you feel basically will be like cold and snow. Cold is chuvoyo and snow is beautiful snow. You can say snow is nun. Snow is nun. So just for information, I would like to add some content like snow and I is nun. Nun. Eyes are we say nun to eye as well. So snow and eye has the same words, has the same meaning, nun. So in winter, what kind of weather you will experience? Cold and snow. So cold chuvoyo, snow nun. So repeat after me. Winter Gyeol, cold chuvoyo, snow nun. So ski resort, skijang. Why I had put this word ski resort? When you are in Korea and it is like winter season, there are so much snow, so you definitely go for a ski resort. And if you don't want to, you just have to go and enjoy the weather, enjoy the environment and enjoy the scene that you can see, you can enjoy with your friends. So what is ski resort in Korean? Skijang. Skijang. Okay, so let's take some examples. For example, the weather is cold. 날씨가 추워요. 날씨가 추워요. So first person or your friend or your colleague said 날씨가 추워요 means the weather is cold. Shall we go to the ski resort? Shall we go to the ski resort? 스키장에 갈까요? 스키장에 갈까요? 스키장, ski resort. To be, shall we go? 갈까요? 갈까요? If you are in Korea, you must go to the ski resort. If you got a chance, you must go to the ski resort in the winter season. So shall we go to the ski resort will be like 스키장에 갈까요? 스키장에 갈까요? So repeat after me from the first part. For example, A person, the weather is cold. 날씨가 추워요. 날씨가 추워요. And we will be like, shall we go to the ski resort? 스키장에 갈까요? 스키장에 갈까요? So this is all about spring, summer, fall and winter you had studied today. And there are in Korea there are 4 seasons. You can enjoy all season and just experience the whole environment. So thank you so much for watching. Create a situation and use all the phrases. Just go to the Badatka, go to the Suyongjang, go to the Skijang and enjoy the weather, the environment, the situation, the time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be there soon. Bye bye.